Hello, welcome guys. How gonna to show you? So guys, my new channel. Please subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon, guys. So guys, let's start our video. How to enable replace command format with PowerShell in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, let's start our video. So first click on search for setting. So click on setting. So guys, click on personalization and click on taskbar and click on replace command format with Windows and click on the enable. So guys, very easy simple method how to enable replace command format with PowerShell in Windows 10. So guys, very easy simple method. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for latest update and press the bell icon. Thank you guys very much.